everyone. I'm Roberta and I'm inside of the Bridal Finery. Today I'm going to show you how to pack your wedding dress for travel. When traveling with your wedding dress, it is so important for you to pack it into your carry-on. Today I brought over my base carry-on. It is my absolute favorite for travel. I've traveled all over the world with it. Super durable. The best part about it, we've had so many brides travel with it, and their ball gowns fit into it. So come with me, let me show you how to pack it and make it easy for you. Number one thing you want to keep in mind is to have your wedding dress in we like the bag here from the store, it's a vinyl bag. So it is water resistant, not waterproof, it's water resistant, and it folds up really nicely as well. It fits a big ball gown all the way to a really slim dress. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have it in the garment bag. Put the whole entire dress in there. I do always like to say that I like to try to squeeze a big dress into a thinner garment bag just to compact the dress a little bit more. So put the whole dress in there and then put your hand behind the zipper to zip it up and zip it about halfway through, because when we lay it down, we're gonna remove the hanger. You never ever want to pack your wedding dress with the hanger inside. In case during travel the hanger breaks, you don't want it to rip or tear the bag or your dress. So just remember that we're gonna take this hanger off of it. So zipper's halfway through. Now what you wanna do is be in a clean surface. You can lay a sheet down or be on top of a clean rug to do this part. Just grab the bag. Like I said, I have my base bag here. Again, my absolute favorite. And you can just open it up. And then you have these two compartments. You have the one that has like the little string to make everything tight, and then the compartment with the zipper. I love to put a little air tag in my bags. All of them have it, so just a little tip for you. And then I like to pack the wedding dress, if I can fit it, into this side that zips closed. That way, when the air is back into the bag, it doesn't expand back up. It stays nice and compact in there. And then I have the whole other half of the luggage for my wedding day shoes. Maybe I can fit my rehearsal dinner dress, my jewelry, everything for like that's wedding related events. I can try to fit into my carry-on, okay? So I have the bag open, ready, set aside for us. And then let me grab the garment bag. I'm gonna lay it down on the ground. And like I said, first thing you want to do is remove the hanger, but make sure the dress is all the way up. So with this particular dress, the bodice of it has boning, so you want to make sure not to roll that part of it. The boning has to remain straight the whole entire time, okay? And another thing, you're going to need to steam your dress when you arrive to your location. Okay, so like I said, you leave the zipper halfway, and then you start at the very, very bottom, which is the fullest part of the dress, and you just fold it in. I like to try to fold the dress in threes. So fold it again, and then I kind of put my knee on it just to hold it in place, and I go again. And then you literally just start rolling it. Like I said, you're going to need to steam it when you arrive at your destination, okay? There it goes again. I hold it with my knee. Put this in and then hold it, press it down. Now I'm at the zipper. Make sure all the air is out. And right about here is where the boning on this particular dress starts. So when we get here, we're no longer going to roll, okay? So I have one more roll before I hit the bodice. I still want to fold it in right there because it's not the bodice yet. And then there you go. So this is the whole ball gown. And now, best part, you put it in here. Again, get all that excess air out of it. I go to my zipper and then just zip it in. And look, let me show you something once I get the zipper closed. I still have a little bit of room up here. So this is a great space to put your jewelry or your veil. Your veil should be able, you roll it the same way without the hanger, and it should be able to fit right here. If not, put on all of your wedding jewelry, undergarments, everything, and you still have half of your whole entire bag. So there you have it. I hope this helped. And again, the base bag, the best for wedding day travel. Bye guys.